Hey guys, what's going on? It's Ashley. Here from Ashley Hi From. And welcome to my Download Dollars review. Now, as you can see here on the screen, I've got access to the Download Dollars dashboard. So in this video I'm going to run through what this is all about, what it can bring you in terms of the advantages, so that you can finish watching this video completely informed as to whether you think this is the right product for you. But what is Download Dollars in a nutshell? Well, essentially this is a place that you can come to find different offers that can make you money. Okay, so what they've basically done here is they've connected to 5 different platforms that exist in the world. I think one of them is called Inbox Pounds if you're in the UK, one of them is called Inbox Dollars if you're in the US, and so on and so forth. There's a couple of crypto platforms there as well, and basically this Download Dollars platform will scrape the newest offers from those different platforms into here, show them to you, and then you have the opportunity to do a few tasks and then get paid in return when you complete those tasks. So for example, let me show you something. Okay, when you're on here, so first of all, complete, I guess, a level of this game. So you need to download this game, start playing it. If you complete the level you get 30. Okay, this one's just play Mafia City War of Underworld, get $70 alright. Now there are ones here like this one, where you need to make a purchase to get money back, which I don't think is as great, because, well, that's not earning money, that's paying money to get money back, you know. So it's not quite the same thing. So like you, I guess, sign up for Mindful Chef meals, which are probably gonna be like a meal replacement service that they send to your house, and you get like 20 cashbacks. So I don't really like this one too much. However, there are decent ones here, you know. So this one you'd have to buy as well, and you get 30 back. But there are cool ones here. Well, those first two are cool, right? Because you don't have to pay anything to get those back if you're into gaming. But there are so many here that it takes ages to go through all of them, right? Sign up for account with this one, you get $100, so that's not paying something, but it is doing something. There's like completing surveys, start your own farm with Farmville, and they give you $10, so you can see all of these different things here, right? But you can go through this in your own time. So basically the grayed out ones are offers that are coming up soon, so they're not live yet, and obviously the ones in color are live, but for fear of me just going through everything straight away, I'll save that for later on in the video, so do stick with me. Now, another thing that you should be sticking with me until the end of the video is that I have got a way for you to save a big amount of money when you purchase Download Dollars, but I'll only let you know about that right at the very end of this video. Okay, so you've got to stick with me all the way until that point if you want to save some cash. Alright, now at any point during this video you do want to pick up Download Dollars, all you need to do is click on my link in the description below. Once you click on that link, you're going to come through to my bonus page, which you can see here on the screen. Just scroll down, there'll be some red buttons at regular intervals. Click on one of those, and when you do, you'll go through to the Download Dollars sales page that you can see here. Scroll down again, another red button. Click on that and you will lock in your purchase through me. Now, the reason I go through that process is because I've got a custom exclusive bonus bundle that I'm going to go through in a second with you. But you'll only get that if you purchase through me. Alright, second reason, you can see a countdown timer there now. When that hits 0, I'm going to be removing all of my bonuses so to avoid disappointment you want to get in the pot before I hit 0, right? Okay, so the schedule for this video, what we'll do is we'll run through my bonuses real quick now, then after that we'll jump into the dashboard and I'll show you a bit more about those offers. We'll jump into a few of them so you can get some idea of what they're actually asking you to do, and then last but not least we'll go through the pricing so you know how much this will cost you if you want to pick this up. Okay, so let's go back into my bonus page, because that's obviously where the bonuses are. There's the pricing that we'll go through later. Demo from the vendor's really short one. But okay, it's decent enough now. These bonuses I'm just going to breeze over real quick because I want to get into the dashboard quicker than anything. So first bonus you're going to get rapid commission sites, which will create you set and forget websites with free traffic. That's a completely free account. For that, by the way guys, if you could hear massive amounts of noise in the background, that is because there is a huge storm coming in at the moment. And like things are falling over outside. Like the tree branches are falling down, walls are falling down. And so if you hear massive gusts and noise in the background, this microphone might not pick it up. You know why? Okay. Just I figured I'll let you know that. Okay, but let's go back to this. So that's rapid commission sites. Bonus number 2 is income engine, which creates yourself running mega stores. So basically commerce stores. If you want to get into that side of things, a bonus number 3, which is a free Blaze Funnels account, us and monetize affiliate offers with done few funnels, so a bit of a ClickFunnels competitor there. Bonus number 4, which is free Echo accounts. This weird app makes money without selling anything. And then last but not least is bonus number 5, which is all of the vendor bonuses. So as always, any bonuses the vendor gives to me to give to you, they'll be available on my bonus delivery page. Now this is gonna go live today at 10:00 so February the 18th. At 10:00 so you will not be able to purchase before that time rolls around, but once you it does roll around, you can make your purchase. Jump into your Warrior Plus account, because that's the platform that this is being launched on. Find your purchase of download dollars and you'll see 2 buttons that look like this. Click on this blue button here because that will take you through to my bonus delivery page, where all of these accounts will be available to you to get set up and get your username and password and all that stuff. Okay, so that's the bonuses. Let's jump into the actual platform. So it's pretty a simple platform, but I gave a good rundown of it at the beginning, right? It's scraping from in. Well, in fact, if you go to the platforms we can get, right, so it's scraping from inbox, pounds, inbox, dollars, swag, bucks, Zoom bucks, and crypto rewards. Okay, so when you first get in here, this is the thing that you want to be doing first, right? Applying and setting up your accounts on all of these different platforms. Okay, so that they're activated, so that when the offers are being pulled in and you go and click on one of these, because I don't have those platforms set up, I haven't signed up for an account with them. When I go through, it shows me things like this. So it's gone through to inbox, pounds, a sign up free, but it is giving me a preview of the offer. So with this, right, so yeah, this is one of the things that requires a purchase. You purchase it up, yeah, cool, and then you get 40 pounds cash back. It's like $60, right? But if you're in the US, you're going to be looking at inbox dollars. I can't look at that. It doesn't show me these previews because my IP address isn't in the US. This is This is the other one that was talking about that mindful chef that requires a purchase, but the other ones, just downloading this and getting this onto your cell phone, they give you money. Click the first link in the description below to order the product from the official website, and after that just send me the screenshot of your purchase to my Instagram, the link is below. Then I will send you the bonuses, free video courses and book courses on how to make money online fast, 2 to 4 weeks maximum.